24 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar from NYX. Oh yeah, so excited. So basically every day you're supposed to open one of these. It says like all the days up until the 24th. It's supposed to be like a Christmas Advent calendar, but you like break these open and you get a new product. So excited. And this is what you'll be getting. Some lipsticks and some eyeshadows and some highlighters and a blush. So excited. Last year I got this and it was just lipsticks, so I'm glad that you get like eyeshadows and stuff like that this time. Love the packaging, so adorable. Can't wait to start opening it. Day 1. What do I get? What do I get? So it looks like I got a highlighter. Oh, she gorgeous. Very pretty. Don't have any other makeup on, so it might look a little crazy, but this is what the highlighter looks like. She's gorgeous. Can't wait for day 2. Day 2. What did I get? NYX Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream in shade Nantes. Nantes? I think that's how you say that. So excited. She looks gorgeous. She's definitely metallic. Cute. Love it. Day 3. Liquid Suede in shade Starstruck. She's a very gorgeous red color. Day 4. A highlighter in shade Cinnamon Spice. Ooh, that might be a little dark for my skin tone, so I might have to use this as an eyeshadow. We'll see. This seems like a gorgeous highlighter, but I feel like when I look straight on, it kind of gives me a dark cast, so I'll probably just have to wear it as an eyeshadow. Day 5. We got an intense butter gloss in shade Sweet Nothing. I love this shade. It's so freaking cute. Day 6. Got a matte lipstick in shade Fluff Piece. Such a gorgeous shade. Day 7. Got a soft matte lip cream in shade Vienna. Love this shade. It's like a really cute purple shade. Love it. Having good luck with everything so far. Day 8. Got a cute little highlighter in the shade Candy Cloud. Looks gorgeous. Highlighter's so freaking pretty. Love her. Day 9. Got a hashtag This Is Everything lip oil in the shade Cranberry Mint. This packaging is so cute. So there's really no tint to it, but it's just a cute little lip oil. Feels really nice on the lips. Excited for the next day. So after day 9, life kind of got busy and kind of forgot about the countdown thing. So I'm actually gonna just open everything and show it to you guys and then try it on. I'm so sorry. I really wanted to every single day open it, but you know, life happens, so I'll just show you guys everything that I got in the countdown. Day 10. Looks like we got a Lip Slip Tease full color lip oil in shade Poppin'. Day 11. We got a butter gloss in the shade Glazy Days. Day 12. Looks like we got a blush in the shade Lollipop Hop. Ooh, that's a gorgeous shade. Can't wait to try that. Day 13. Looks like we got a little eyeshadow in the shade Cookie Cutter. Oh, that's cute. It's like a lighter peachy shade. Day 14. Another eyeshadow in the shade Candy Stash, which is a beautiful like pink shimmery shade. Day 15 is a lip oil in the shade Candy Pop. Day 16, ooh girl, it looks like a blue matte lipstick in the shade Sorbet. Wow, that's gorgeous. Excited to try that. Day 17. Looks like we got a lip lingerie. Love those. In the shade Slip. Day 18. Got a liquid suede cream lipstick in the shade Peanut Brittle. Day 19. An eyeshadow in the shade Sweet Tooth. Oh wow, it looks like a gorgeous peachy, champagne-y, glittery shimmer shade. Day 20 is an eyeshadow in the shade Whipped Mocha. So that's like a gorgeous brownie shade. Cute, cute. Day 21. Ooh, yes. This is a soft matte lip cream in the shade Kev. Day 22 is a lip lingerie in the shade Deep Rooted. Day 23, getting so close to the end, is an eyeshadow in the shade Twisted. Ooh, it's like a pretty blackish navy blue shimmery shade. And the last day, 24, is an eyeshadow in the shade In Deep Trouble. Ooh, yes, I think this has been my favorite eyeshadow so far. It's like a really dark purple shade. So here's all the stuff that I got from the 10th to the 24th. Sorry that I wasn't able to do it every single day. Kind of got busy. Life happens. You know how it is. So, yeah, I hope you enjoy this vlog. And now I'm going to be trying everything that was left over on. 9 on the lips. I know this is probably really crappy lighting. Sorry. But this is the Slip Tease Full Color Lip Oil in shade Poppin'. So it's like a tinted lip oil. Seems cute. So day 10 is this butter gloss in the shade Glazy Days. So 11, 12, and 13 are these three right here. I'll zoom out so that it looks better. So it's the 3 on the top. Day 11 is the blush. Then there's 2 eyeshadows. One's like a cream shade and the other is like a shimmery pink. So that's 11, 12, and 13 at the top right there. Very gorgeous. Day 14 is this lip oil in shade Candy Pop. It's not really that pigmented, but it feels really nourishing, so that's really nice. Day 15 is this gorgeous blue matte lipstick in shade Sorbet. Cute, love her. Oh, she's so cute. This is day 16 on the lips. It seems like a really cute nude. It's a NYX Lingerie in shade Slip. Day 17 is this liquid suede in the shade Peanut Brittle. So 18 and 19 are the two shades on the left at the bottom. The two browner looking shades. One's like a shimmery shade and the other one is a matte brown. 20 is a soft matte lip cream in the shade Kieve, K-I-E-V-E. Day 21 is a lip lingerie in the shade Deep Rooted. And the last two are the last two eyeshadows that I have on my hand. So these two. One of them is like a grayish black shade and the other one is a super dark plum purple shade. But these are all the eyeshadows together, and then the really bright pink one over here in this corner is the blush. So yeah, this was a really fun one. Last year I did this and they were all lipsticks, so I'm happy that they put in like blushes and highlighters and eyeshadows in this one and different lip colors and lip formulas. So yeah, this was really fun and I hope you guys enjoyed it.